Hi, I'm Scott Sundby. I'm going to be teaching substantive criminal law this spring. I have done it a number of times. It's one of my favorite courses to teach, in part especially to first years because it introduces so many topics that I think are especially critical to that first year of understanding. What we do, or at least the way I approach it, is I break criminal law down into sort of four basic components that we'll cover over the course of the semester. The first is to try to understand what we call mens rea, or how the criminal justice system defines different mental states and how that corresponds to notions of culpability. Then we move into the idea of what constitutes a criminal act, such as what is possession of a drug, how much in control do you have to be. So those are the two basic building blocks, mental state and act. Then we move on into defenses, ranging from insanity to intoxication to I was provoked to do something, and how we recognize those and how we communicate those to the jury, who, of course, is the audience in most of these cases. And then we conclude by the time springtime rolls to an end with a look at group liability. What constitutes accomplice liability, conspiracy, things like that. What I try to do is make it so that we have the basic tools and vocabulary by the end of the semester that we could parachute you in anywhere. From North Dakota, where I'm sure everybody wants to go, to California or, of course, Florida, and give you any criminal statute, and you would be able to dissect it, make an argument to the judge, depending on whether you're the prosecutor or the defense attorney, as to how it should be interpreted in light of basic tools of interpretation and basic policy considerations of the criminal justice system. And so I think it is great fun. The topics certainly are not boring. The fact patterns are never boring. People who commit crimes tend to do it colorfully and be colorful. So that's, in a nutshell, what I try to cover in my crim law class.